Cesara Rowena Discaya, popularly known as Sarah Discaya, is a name that has emerged as a symbol of resilience, leadership, and progressive vision in the Philippines. A dynamic entrepreneur, philanthropist, and political aspirant. She currently serves as the Vice President and CFO of St. Gerrard Construction General Contractor and Development Corporation and the President and CEO of Alpha and Omega General Contractor and Development Corporation. Her life's journey, from being the daughter of overseas Filipino workers in London to leading a business empire, paints a compelling portrait of modern Filipino excellence. Born to OFW parents in London, Sarah Discaya's early years were molded by the sacrifices and values of her family. Her mother worked as a chambermaid and her father as a waiter, instilling in her a strong sense of humility, hard work, and discipline. She spent her formative years studying at St. Lawrence and St. Paul's Catholic School in London, where she absorbed both Western educational principles and Catholic moral values. Upon relocating to the Philippines, she pursued a bachelor's degree in business administration, majoring in computer management from Pasig Catholic College. She later advanced her academic credentials by studying management of service institutions at La Consolacion College. These academic foundations set the tone for what would become a successful and multi-dimensional career. Sarah's professional journey began in 1998 with a minimum wage on-the-job training position. From receptionist to liaison officer, she climbed the ladder through merit and dedication. Over time, she gained experience as a communications specialist, marketing analyst, and recruitment specialist. Her decade-long stint teaching English as a second language ESL to multilingual learners across Asia sharpened her communication skills and global perspective, qualities that would later prove pivotal in business and public service. In 2015, she entered the construction and infrastructure sector, joining St. Gerrard Construction as a marketing promoter. Her performance quickly earned her promotions, eventually rising to become the Chief Financial Officer (CFO). Simultaneously, she built and expanded Alpha and Omega General Contractor and Development Corporation, which she now leads as President and CEO. She manages a conglomerate of 18 companies, providing employment to over 10,000 workers, a remarkable feat that positions her among the Philippines' top business leaders. Although her exact net worth is not publicly disclosed, industry insiders estimate her portfolio comprising construction ventures, real estate holdings, and diversified investments to exceed $500 million, $9 million USD. Her lifestyle reflects success, yet she maintains a strong focus on community upliftment and responsible leadership. Sarah is married to Discaya, and the couple is known for their shared passion for luxury automobiles. Their collection includes around 40 high-end vehicles, with standout models like a blue Bentley, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS, and a customized Rolls-Royce Cullinan featuring Hermes orange interiors. Despite the opulence, Sarah remains grounded and focused on serving others, qualities that have earned her the affectionate nickname 8 Sarah among Pasig City residents. As both a business leader and public figure, Sarah Discaya continuously promotes transparency, accountability, and grassroots development. She is particularly passionate about empowering underprivileged communities, creating livelihood programs, and supporting education through scholarships and school-building projects. Her public persona is not limited to campaign posters. She can often be seen directly engaging with residents, joining community cleanups, and organizing free health missions. Sarah Discaya's biography is more than just a story of business success. It's a story of purpose. Her evolution from a trainee earning minimum wage to a respected entrepreneur and mayoral candidate reflects a commitment to personal growth, public service, and social equity. Gerrard Construction Gen, Contractor and Development Corp., is a leading construction services company based in Pasig, Metro Manila. With a strong focus on quality and customer satisfaction, we specialize in general contracting, construction management, and development services for residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to delivering high-quality construction work on time and within budget. From design to completion, they strive to exceed our clients' expectations and create lasting relationships based on trust and transparency. Pasig City businesswoman denied any connection to the Eusebio family, saying her construction firm is not a front for the family. Sarah Discaya, owner of St. Gerrard Construction and Development Corp., said there's no evidence linking her company to the Eusebios. She and her husband, Gerrard Discaya, have been accused of being political backers and financiers for the Eusebios in past elections, a claim they deny. The Department of Public Works and Highways DPWH has reiterated its warning that civil works contractors with delayed projects would be blacklisted. St. Gerrard Construction General Contractor and Development Corp. was barred from participating in government projects for 1 year over the delay in the construction of a school building in Indang, Cavite. The blacklisting order was due to more than 15% negative slippage on the construction of a 4-story school building at the Lumimpan National High School. Pasig City Mayor V. Casado has publicly named the Pamilyang Discayas as the alleged owners and controllers of several companies that secured major Department of Public Works and Highways DPWH flood control project contracts, which were presented by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. According to Sado, these companies include Alpha and Omega Gen, Contractor and Development Corp., St. Timothy Construction Corporation, and St. Gerrard Construction, among other firms allegedly linked to the same Discaya family. into the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.